Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're trying to make something like this. I've already helped them make it, but I thought I'd share it because it's pretty, it really upset him because he kind of got upset. He couldn't figure it out. So when he takes all he did was take triangles and rotate them 20 degrees. But when he welds them, he gets that. And he's even tried it going past where it doesn't leave that line. No matter what you do, let's go back to the weld. I mean, you could literally go and delete nodes, but you're still going to have that angle and not a round surface. I would actually probably suggest doing this. When I did mine, I had overlapping triangles and not, wow, that one almost came out round. So then all I told him to do, or showed him how to do it, is take the 3-point curve line and go from that node to that node, and then hold down the control button. And the control button gets you a perfect half of a spear or a spear. Then take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you get that shape. Now we can take this shape, delete all this. We need to get this rotated, so we're going to rotate it by hand and get it close. I'm actually going to left click, right click, so we just have a line there. And he uses, well, he is RGB. I thought the color was CMYK. Then bring in an indexing line to like right there to that node. Turn your indexing lines on. Double click on your X here and put your rotation there. And then you could rotate this up. And now you're perfect. Turn off our indexing lines and just fill this in with yellow. And how I did, I want to take away the outline. Well, whenever you smart fill, you can't really take away the outline sometimes. And then get the interactive fill tool and just swipe up. I put burnt orange in this color and then put yellow in this color. And then you could bring that yellow down and have her what you want. And it's always going to look better with a black box to it, like you're printing it on black or blue or what other color you want. That's a pretty cool logo. I don't know what it represents, but that's how, there's probably several ways you could do that. But I think that would be the easiest. I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.